Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. It's Sunday, and Ricky and I had a great time at the clubhouse this weekend. We came home and we knew we wanted to do something simple tonight, but delicious. Last night we snuck out of the cabin and had some sushi, and today we decided to turn on the grill and make a simple side dish. I've got some steaks Ricky just pulled off for me. I'll show you in just a second. But let's talk about these brown sugar green beans, guys. This is one of my favorite side dishes. They are so delicious and so easy to cook. I'm going to show you what they look like after they've been sitting in the warmer for a little while. Now this one's made with canned green beans. You can do canned green beans or fresh green beans, completely up to you. Delicious. It's one of my favorite side dishes. And I love to cook enough to where I'll have some leftovers for the week. So we've got the brown sugar green beans. Let me show you or tell you what we did. We took a package of bacon and I cooked them halfway. You don't want to overcook your bacon because you're going to add the bacon to your 9x13. And this is going to go in the oven on 350 for as long as you want to cook them. I cooked them for about 40 minutes on 350 and then I just turned the oven on warm. And it's just been sitting in there this whole time for hours. So that's why it's a little brown, and I'm telling you, delicious. Brown sugar green beans. If you guys have had them before, if you've had my recipe in the comments, give me some love. Say I've had it and I loved it. If you haven't tried them before, I'm so excited for you to check out this link in this video. So what we did is we took a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We took the melted butter and mixed a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, keto brown sugar. So this is brown sugar swerve. So it's totally low carb, keto, fits your lifestyle perfectly. So a 1/4 cup of brown sugar swerve. We did a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder. And then we mixed in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So we've got the 1/4 cup of butter, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar swerve to meet that low carb lifestyle, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder. You just mix that sauce together and you pour it over your green beans. Now I use 3 cans of green beans. You can do can or fresh. It's completely up to you. If you use fresh green beans, I do recommend you go ahead and steam them slightly so it doesn't take so long in the oven. And then after we mixed up the green beans and the sauce, we added some bacon. Again, cooked halfway because you're going to cook this in the oven. Just stir it all together, and guys, I'm telling you, it smells delicious as you're prepping it, and when it's done, oh my gosh. This is one of my favorite side dishes. So delicious and so easy and different. If you're looking for something different where you're not just eating roasted broccoli every single night, even though I could, this is a great side dish. So I'm going to show them to you one more time, and then I'll show you the steaks, and then Ricky and I and my mom are fixing to chow down. Look at that, guys. Give me some hearts if that looks delicious. Brown sugar, green beans. Let me show you those steaks. Oh, yes. Look at those bad boys. Steaks with a blue cheese butter that I made. All right, guys. If y'all have any questions, let me know. And if you're new, or even if you're not new, if you need some getting started tips, say getting started in the comments. I'd love to send you some simple tips, guys, that I started with back in 2018, still follow today, and I'd love to share them with you. So say getting started if you want that information. All right, gotta go. See y'all later. Bye.